traveling to Malta. Welcome to Global College Malta. Here you will find the necessary steps before traveling to Malta, including the needed items. Once the visa formalities are completed, the admissions officer will communicate back the intake start date and a checklist of documents to apply for the residential permit when in Malta. When available, you must send the following documents to your admissions officer. When packing your luggage, the following items are important: formal and casual wear, winter clothes including thermal wear, raincoat and umbrella, any necessary medicines including doctor's prescriptions, laptop, smartphone, and charging cables, travel adapters, electrical extension board for your devices, spices and items to cook regional foods, Forex card, debit, credit card for withdrawing cash as and when required. A detailed list will be sent by your admissions officer. Safe travels and see you in Malta!